Hi, my name is Danny Hernandez, founder of Grill and Provisions here in West Tampa. We are an outdoor grilling pro shop. If you enjoy being outdoors and craft beers and gourmet boutique provisions from Wagyu meats and exotics to shoe knives, we're a platinum big green egg dealer. We also carry Yeti, Smithy cast iron, pretty much any need that you could possibly have for your outdoor cooking. We've got it here. Aside from being a platinum big green egg dealer, we also build custom kitchens and custom outdoor kitchens. We've got an amazing outdoor cooking event. It's actually a barbecue competition. What makes it really unique is that it is a true Eggfest. Everybody will be competing on a big green egg. That's to say that if you're an outdoor cooking enthusiast, if you enjoy barbecue, if you enjoy craft beers, if you enjoy our beautiful Florida sunshine, you need to come visit us. The location is at Tabellas, which is a spectacular outdoor venue, 6 acres, beautifully manicured. There's going to be a ton of great food, great craft beers, great entertainment, and what's most important about this event is that we are truly cooking for a cause. We've got the pleasure of partnering with the NPCF and our dear friend Chris Gieb, and we're super excited about doing some great things using the egg as a vehicle to really fight for a cause.
Hi, I'm Chris Gieb. I'm a Director of Development at the National Pediatric Cancer Foundation. And what do? We fund research. We're trying to find less toxic and more targeted treatments for children battling cancer. We're located right here in Tampa, Florida, but we are a national organization and we have actually 26 partner hospitals nationwide. And we're really excited to partner with Eggfest and Grill and Provisions for another way we can raise money and awareness for our cause. And we're super excited about it. It's going to be a COVID-safe environment. We're outdoors. We're spread apart. There's going to be good beer. There's going to be good food, good music, and we hope that you can be a part of it. So Eggfest will be on February 27th out at Tabellas. It's going to be a family-friendly event, outdoor, cooking, competition, festival, music, for the whole family. Come on out, have a good time. Many ways to get involved. Tickets start at $50. You can check out the website for more information and reach out to us with any questions.